Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Marcella and I film makeup tutorials, hauls, vlog, and much more. So I'd love for you guys to subscribe. We are almost at my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and when that does happen, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so please do not forget to subscribe. And so as you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be an inside the dressing room at Forever 21. If you guys have never seen a video like this, basically we get to go to the mall together, check out what is new at Forever 21, and then I'm going to be trying some of those items on in the dressing room so you guys can see how they fit, and that can maybe help you to decide whether or not you want to purchase the item. So everything is going to be linked in the description box. Make sure you check there. I will include the size and the price, of course. So really quickly, I just wanted to give my friend Stephanie a shout out because she's always filming inside the dressing rooms and she does an amazing job with them. So I finally decided to film one of my own. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know what you think, if I should film more of these. And I will also link her channel in the description box so you guys can check out her channel if you would like. And without further ado, let's go ahead and see what is new at Forever 21. So this piece here is one of my favorites. It's super fun, it's colorful, and it's bright, and it's perfect for summer. I tried this on in a size medium and it was a perfect fit. This retails for $15.90, and I would honestly just wear it with like a white bodysuit since it is a pretty bold statement piece. So this next piece right here is also a medium and it retails for $29.90. I love olive green, but I really just wasn't feeling this piece. It just didn't fit right. As you can see, that bust area is a little too tight and I wasn't even wearing a bra. And I feel like it just looks a little bit awkward. Maybe it's because I'm petite and I have a small butt. I don't know, but it just wasn't fitting right. I felt like it didn't really do anything for me. But I decided I'd still try it on so you guys could see the fit. If this was a little tighter on my lower bottom and a little looser on the top, maybe I would have liked it. So for this dress, I went with a small and it was a good fit. It retails for $22.90, and I really liked that the material was very light and airy. It's a perfect summer dress. And on top of that, the straps are adjustable, which is always a plus. You're going to notice there is a lot of striped clothing items that I try on. I feel like that is what is trending. So this next piece is a knitted crop top. I thought it was really pretty. I loved the design on it and thought it was actually quite different. I tried this on in a small and this retails for $19.90. Only thing I disliked is that the material is pretty heavy, so I didn't end up getting it because I just thought it would be too hot to wear in the summer. So moving on, we have these distressed denim jeans. These are in a size 26 and retail for $32.90. You guys, I was so shook that there was pants that actually fit me and would require no hemming. Like, this never happens. These are super stretchy and very, very comfortable, so I highly recommend them, especially if you are a petite girl just like me. So this bodysuit was a medium. It retails for $10.90, so super, super, super great deal. The material on this is very soft and it's stretchy, and once again, this has adjustable straps, so I really liked that. It also comes in like a mint color and white, so definitely pick it up if you can. I think it is a great buy. I paired it with these striped shorts. I think it looks really good together. By the way, I'm not deformed. This is like the security tag on the bodysuit. These shorts are in a size medium and they retail for $15.90. I really like the detail on them and they make my butt look really good, so it's a win-win. So this is a two-piece set. Each piece is sold individually and retails for $17.90 each. The top I went with a large. The detailing is pretty nice, but those little frillies at the top were a little bit annoying if you asked me, and you cannot adjust the straps on this. For these shorts I went with a medium. Should have probably went with a small, and even then they might be a little big. As you can see, these run pretty large. I didn't really care for this set. It didn't really do anything for my body. So for this jumpsuit I went with a medium, and this retails for $29.90. As you can see, it's pretty baggy and it just doesn't fit me right. I think it's because I'm short, to be honest. I went with a small previously and it was way too tight. But yeah, I really love the print. I think it's super beautiful. If you are taller, I think it would be really cute, and you can adjust it at the front, and these straps are also adjustable. You can move them up or down one. There's like a button on the inside. This top is in a size medium and retails for $17.90. I love this peplum style, and as you can see, it dips pretty low in the front and in the back, but it's super cute. I definitely did pick this up. So for these jeans, I went with a size 28. They retail for $24.90. They're very cute. These are more of like a mid-rise jean. I personally didn't really care for them because I like my jeans to have a little bit of a stretch, and unfortunately these don't really have a stretch to them. So for this crop top, I went with the size medium. It retails for $8.90. I thought it was super cute. It's like a basic top. It's kind of, to me, like a nylon stretchy material. That's how I would describe it. But yeah, super cute. It also came in black. These jeans might look familiar. They are literally the same jean you just seen me try on. Again, size 28, retails for $24.90. It is just a lighter wash. So that completes this inside the dressing room. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.